Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream eyeshadow. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need 8 small beeswax pastils and 1 teaspoon of pure shea butter to form the base. For added nourishment and a smooth texture, have 1 teaspoon of glycerin, 24 drops of jojoba oil, and 1/4 teaspoon of vitamin E oil ready. Finally, select 2 teaspoons of your favorite cosmetic mica powder for color. Now, let's prepare the creamy base for your eyeshadow. Place the 8 small beeswax pastils and 1 teaspoon of pure shea butter into a microwave-safe jug or measuring cup. Gently warm this mixture in the microwave, heating it for 10-second increments. After each interval, stir well to ensure even melting. Continue this process until both the beeswax and shea butter are fully melted and smoothly combined, which usually takes about 1 minute. Once your base is perfectly melted, it's time to add the nourishing elements and vibrant color. Carefully add 1 teaspoon of glycerin, 24 drops of jojoba oil, and 1/4 teaspoon of vitamin E oil to the warm mixture. Stir these ingredients thoroughly until everything is well incorporated. Then, introduce 2 teaspoons of your selected cosmetic mica powder, blending it completely to achieve your desired shade and a uniform color throughout. With your cream eyeshadow mixed, the final steps are setting and application. Carefully transfer the warm mixture into a small, sealed container. It's crucial to let it set completely, so leave it undisturbed for a full 24 hours to achieve the perfect creamy consistency. Once set, your personalized cream eyeshadow is ready to use. Apply it smoothly to your eyelids with your fingertip, a dedicated eyeshadow brush, or a sponge applicator for a beautiful, lasting look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.